Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today in this video, we're going to explore two indispensable skills for any business professional: sales and negotiation. Number one, understanding the process. The sales process comprises several distinct stages, including prospecting, initial contact, needs assessment, presentation, objection handling, and closing. Understanding these stages helps sales professionals navigate each step with precision. Effective sales professionals not only grasp the sequential nature of the sales process, but also recognize that it can be dynamic and nonlinear. They adapt their approach based on the unique needs and responses of each prospect or client. 2. Building rapport and trust. Building rapport is more than just a social nicety. It's the foundation of a productive customer relationship. Establishing trust is crucial as it sets the stage for open communication and long-term loyalty. Rapport and trust are built through active listening, empathy, and authenticity. When customers feel understood and valued, they are more likely to engage in meaningful discussions and make purchasing decisions. Successful sales professionals consistently invest time and effort in relationship building. They remember personal details about their clients. They show genuine interest and prioritize customer needs over immediate sales. Effective communication. Effective communication in sales involves more than just delivering a well-crafted pitch. It requires the ability to adapt your communication style to match the preferences and communication patterns of each customer. Active listening is a critical component of effective communication. Salespeople should listen attentively to customer concerns, objections, and feedback, addressing them thoughtfully. Number 4, product knowledge. In-depth product knowledge instills confidence in both the salesperson and the customer. Sales professionals who thoroughly understand their products can answer questions, overcome objections, and position the product effectively. Product knowledge goes beyond features and specifications. It encompasses understanding how the product addresses customers' pain points and provides value. This knowledge allows for more meaningful conversations with customers. Handling objections. Number 5. Objections are a natural part of the sales process and often signal a prospect's interest. Skilled salespeople view objections as opportunities to provide further clarification and build trust. Techniques for handling objections include empathetic listening, acknowledging the objection, offering solutions, and demonstrating the product's value. Sales professionals should be prepared to address common objectives effectively. Closing techniques. Closing a sale is the accumulation of the sales process. Sales professionals employ various closing techniques, such as the assumptive close, the trial close, or the summary close, depending on the content and the customer. Effective closing techniques are based on a genuine understanding of customers' readiness to make a decision. Pushy or premature closing attempts can alienate prospects and hinder the sale process. Number 7, negotiation fundamentals. Negotiation is a fundamental skill in sales, often resulting in a mutually beneficial outcome. Sales professionals must grasp the core principles of negotiation and involve seeking win-win solutions and focusing on mutual value. Effective negotiators approach discussions with a mindset of collaboration rather than confrontation. They seek to understand the needs and priorities of both parties and work toward a compromise. Preparation is key. Number 8, thorough preparation is a cornerstone of successful sales and negotiation. It involves researching the prospect or client, understanding their business, and anticipating their needs. Sales professionals should also be well versed in their own offerings, including price structures, discounts, and possible concessions. Being prepared minimizes surprises during negotiations and boosts confidence. Number 9, active listening in negotiations. Active listening during negotiations involves more than just hearing words. It requires fully understanding the underlying interests and motivations of the other party. Skilled negotiators use active listening to uncover hidden opportunities for compromise and collaboration. They ask clarifying questions and reflect on what has been communicated to ensure a mutual understanding. Number 10, handling difficult situations. Navigating tough negotiations and challenging clients is an inevitable part of the sales and negotiation process. process. Effective strategies include remaining calm and composed, reframing challenges as opportunities, and seeking common ground. Sales professionals should focus on maintaining professionalism and a solution-oriented approach when faced with difficult situations. Instead of reacting defensively, they can acknowledge concerns and propose alternative solutions. Number 11, win-win negotiation. Embracing the win-win negotiation approach is about recognizing that both parties can achieve their objectives and leave the negotiation satisfied. Win-win negotiations prioritize long-term relationships over short-term gains. Sales professionals who consistently seek mutual beneficial outcomes build trust and encourage repeat business. Nonverbal communications. Nonverbal communication, including body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, plays a significant role in both the sales and negotiation process. It can convey confidence, trustworthiness, and receptiveness. Sales professionals should be mindful of their nonverbal cues during meetings and negotiations. Maintaining eye contact, using open body language, and mirroring the other party's gestures can establish rapport. Understanding the nonverbal cues of others is equally important. It can help salespeople gauge the other party's level of interest, engagement, or hesitation. Number 13, leveraging technology. Technology has transformed the sales and negotiation landscape, providing tools and platforms to streamline processes and enhance communication. Customer service management, or CRM systems, are invaluable for organizing client information, tracking interactions, and managing leads and opportunities. Video conferencing and collaboration tools have become essential for remote negotiations, allowing the sales professionals to maintain face-to-face interactions with clients worldwide. Role-playing and practice. Number 14. Role-playing and practice are fundamental for honing sales and negotiation skills. Simulating real-world scenarios allows sales professionals to refine their techniques and gain confidence. Effective role-playing involves assuming both the buyer and the seller's roles to understand different perspectives. It helps salespeople anticipate objections and practice objection handling techniques. Number 15. Continuous learning. The field of sales and negotiation is dynamic with evolving strategies and tools. Successful sales professionals prioritize ongoing learning to stay updated. Reading books, attending workshops, and participating in industry conferences are ways to expand knowledge and acquire new skills. Number 16, building long-term relationships. Sales professionals who focus on building long-term customer relationships under the repeat business and referrals are more than valuable than one-time sales. Nurturing relationships involves regular follow-up, personalized communication, and anticipating client needs. It demonstrates commitment to client success. Handling rejection. Number 17. Rejection is an inherent part of the sales and negotiation process. Successful professionals view rejection as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Resilience is key to handling rejection effectively. It involves maintaining a positive attitude, learning from rejection experiences, and persisting in pursuit of goals. Measuring success. Establishing key performance indicators, or KPIs, is crucial for tracking success in sales and negotiation. KPIs provide measurable benchmarks to evaluate performance. KPIs may include metrics such as conversion rates, revenue-generated customer satisfaction scores, and negotiation outcomes. Regularly measuring success against KPIs enables sales professionals to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven adjustments to their strategies. In essence, this article provides a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of sales and negotiation, emphasizing the importance of both skills and continuous improvement for lasting success in these fields. I hope this video provides you with value and inspires you to take a chance on starting your own journey towards financial success by making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.